Hey, this Sunshine. So here in my hands today, I have my June Medusa's Mega Box. Woo! So if you are interested in vegan and cruelty-free skincare / subscription boxes, this is the subscription box that you want to check out, girlfriend. So this is $15 a month. In each box, you will get an assortment of vegan and cruelty-free beauty products. So I absolutely love, I think my all-time favorite product that I ever got in my Medusa's makeup box was the colored mascara. It was bright blue. That was a product that I was like, always like, oh, I went Boxycharm, I went Ipsy, I went Try Beauty Box, all of these big beauty boxes. I was like, I want them to send me a colored mascara. And I actually got that in my Medusa's makeup box. Plus there's a ton of other, I've gotten lip glosses, I've gotten lipsticks, I've gotten cheek stains, so many items, and it's fun box, so different, and it's a small business, so come on, let's hop on board and see what's inside of this month's box. Ooh, okay, so we got some tissue paper. We're unboxing the tissue paper, and here's what is inside. Let me give you a better view. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so I see this packet, and I really want to know what's in it, because that's something real. Okay, this is a sparkle bath soak with Epsom salt and biodegradable glitter. Look at it! Oh, yeah! Yes, baby! Let's go! Let's all hop in the bath together right now. Okay, so I'm gonna turn down my light so we can see the gorgeousness. Like, at first I thought this just was like a bag box. It's what I was trying to say. A box bag. This is a bag. Let's restart. Okay, I'm so excited. I can't even speak. So at first I thought that this was a bag of like jewelry, like beads to make jewelry. That was just my first initial thought, but I'm throwing this back up. This is so pretty. I'm not gonna open it up because I'm gonna spill everywhere, but wow. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is a cute little brush. Hello, Mr. Brush. So this says Medusa's makeup on it. It's just a flat concealer brush with a very pretty handle. Your girl, concealer brushes are what I use actually the most. I feel like I'm always cleaning my blending brushes, but my concealer brushes just stay dirty. So I'm always like, don't I have another one? Let me find it in my tub of brushes. Okay, and then here's everything else inside of this month's box. So we've got some bubble wraps. We might have to take a bubble wrap break. I don't know about y'all, but I'm feeling the strong urge. Take a bubble wrap break. Oh, this one's kind of like, ooh. Okay, I feel a lot better now that I popped out the bubbles. Let's see what else we have in here. So this is really freaking cute packaging. It's like metallic raindrops. So this says Emily Alexandra Cosmetics. And then on top, it says something that I can't read because I was never taught how to read cursive. And then it says Remy exclusive lipstick line. Ooh, I'm a part of something exclusive. Okay. Ooh, this pink metallic. Let's see. What? This is crazy. Look at this. It's mermaid scales. Look at that. That is so beautiful. I absolutely love that so much. Okay, there's no scent to that, but that was very exciting. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, so I'm gonna open up this tin to see what we have in here. This says Unicorn Kiss Vegan Lip Sparkle. We're about to get punched in the face with sparkles. I'm excited. Ah! Look at it. It's so pretty. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. Literally, I will die. This is so cute. Ooh. Oh, and it smells like strawberry, I think is the scent that I'm getting on. Oh my gosh, I have sparkles on my lips now. Like I feel like my makeup looks like a mess, but this is cute. Okay, and then last but not least, I have this fun little box. I absolutely love that logo so much. It says Mystical Eye Dust. Okay, this is glittery too. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I've been screaming, and I'm sorry for anybody who watches this with headphones. Ooh, it looks green. I'm always really bad at like opening up the plastic thing on here to like see what's inside. But I hope that helps give you a better understanding of what is in here. That is everything that I got in my June Medusa's makeup box. What a fun box. Seriously, I'm like, I'm so hype. I can't contain myself, especially with that bath soak and the lip sparkle. That was like too much glitter for me to handle. Loved it. Okay, so what was your favorite item in this box? I feel really hyper, but I hope that you're hype about that glitter too, because that was refreshing. I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.